Hi everyone, this is Eric Ringer with MiU Term 1208 Project 2, Week 2, and we're continuing with build a web app, and this week we're introduced to jQuery and what went well. What went well is being able to make the filters and the nav bar at the bottom. I have for the home page and about page and a search page, which actually I don't have that functioning yet. So that's one of the things that went not so well. Is I'm having a few issues with the JavaScript and getting everything in my Gold app. The JavaScript is just it's not. I'm not able to submit the information to local storage, so I'm having some issues there. And then when I display my JSON, it kind of cuts the screen in half. I'll show you in my justification what it's actually doing. So I'm having some issues there. And then the GH pages, I'm still not able to get GH pages with GitHub, so I'm having issues there, and I am determined before this class ends to have a working GH pages. So how does this relate to previous work, jobs, and life? This is just like I've had in previous classes, that in order to learn something well, it takes hard work, and it takes time and effort, and making mistakes. So I figured the more I do this and troubleshoot and stuff, the better I'll be at it. How does this relate to future works, jobs, and life? This is something I want to do. I want to make web apps. So all this stuff that I'm going through now hopefully will help me in the end to get a job. So now I'm going to take you to my app to show you my app, and then do some justification. So I took away the name, Another Hole in That Film Festival app. It was just too big and it took up too much of the screen. So I choose a different film reel and made it a little bit smaller. So I want, my goal is to have every page look like this, the way the borders is, because I think it looks really nice. And then my filter, it works, features. So I would want that. So right here, when I go to add your film, right now it's not submitting the data. Like I need to be able to get the submit, and then I need to adjust the margins and the paddings. So they're just too close to the screen. And I'll show you what my local storage is doing. You see it's cutting off half of the page, and then it's adding the local storage there, which I don't want it to do. So I need to fix that. So, but I have this, where I have some drop downs where you can click on like horror, and it'll take you another page with my image. And then you can go to features, and I did it alphabetically. And then here's another filter that works. I want to be able to, if you click on this, it says all the film information and what type of film it is, animation for that one, to group these together. And I tried the data -roll collapsible set, but I just couldn't get it to work. I think I'm having a div problem there. And then on this one, I just can't scroll. Everything else works. So I'm not sure what's happening there. And then if you go to the info page, I have another image, another hole in the head image, and then you can do the festival information. And then you can go to the news stream, which here's the news stream, and we can check out the Bronze app. So I didn't use any jQuery in this app, and it's a fully functioning app. The JavaScript's working. I kept in another hole in the head with the image. I added the about page, the same image, and then just the festival information. And then I have my gold and bronze links, and a home page. I can go back home and click home. So my app needs some work, but overall I'm almost happy with it. So this is my video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week.